Good afternoon, everyone. We have Rain here, about 3 weeks into his board and train. So at this point, pretty much fully functional on and off leash as far as recall goes. There's just a little bit of obedience we need to get tuned up and shape up and add a little bit more self-control to it with some added distraction, some distance, and duration. So today we're going to be teaching him his place command, which is go to a spot, particularly a raised dog bed or a dog bed or a blanket. Go there and stay there until I let you back up. So let's see. I think he has a little bit of a baseline of this already, and we're just starting out. This isn't something we've done with him already, so we're going to see how he does. Okay. Place. Up. Place. Yes. No. Place. Oh, smart dog. It doesn't take much with this guy, and I suspect this is something that mom and dad have taught him a little bit already, so I'm not going to take any credit for this. This is all them and Mr. Rain here. Rain! Place. No, place. Place. Yes. No, place. Place. That's good. Good boy. Very, very good. Okay. So he's clearly past the point where I need to be luring him and walking right up to it and shaping it. That's why I'm putting a little bit of a distance to it, and I'm rewarding him actually in the release. So check it out. Let's see. And place. Yes. No. Place. Yes. Place. So you see, he thinks the positive marker yes means come receive a reward. But yes just means that's the right answer in this context, and when I reward him, it's going to be when I release him, because he's just at a higher level. There's no point dumbing it down for this guy. Good. Place. And I want him to hear those positive markers and bridges without getting up. Yes. Place. Okay. There we go. Very, very nice. Now, even things like pointing to the spot, I'm going to do away with that pretty quickly after another time or two. Then just kind of look towards it, say the command. If he goes off, no place, direct him back. But we want to get away from hand signaling and making that a condition of the compliance, because once a dog's truly trained in a behavior, we don't do any of that. Place. Place. No, place. Place. Or place. Okay. Place. Place. Yes. No. Place. Or place. 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 Okay. Very, very good. All right, one more, then we're going to wrap this up. Rain. Place. No. Place. No. Place. Yes. No. Boy. Place. Very cool dog. Very smart dog. Good boy. Place. Yes. Okay. Good boy. All right, guys. Hey. Sit. Can you sit? Right. Down. Yes. Down. Alright guys, so there's a little update on Rain. It's a beautiful day out here, so he and I think are going to go take a little walk, do just a little more obedience and take a little rest. But coming along really good. He's got about a week and a half left before departure, and he had a great visit with his family at midterm, and I'm really excited to follow this guy's journey after his board and train. All right. Take care, everyone.